All right, what's happening, guys? So I just wanted to show y'all what we just picked up. These just came out on November 7th, so yesterday. We got ours delivered today. This one is going to end up being a present for my son. And yeah, we're going to do an unboxing and see what all the PlayStation Pro comes with. So here we go. Looks like a couple little brackets there. Power cord, that's nice. Show y'all what that looks like. Got USB-C to USB-C, HDMI. The good part, let's see what comes out of this thing next. Just go ahead and put the box down there. Ooh, that thing is slick looking. All right. And that's it right there. All right, show you guys the back of this thing, the connections that it's got there. All right, so you got your LAN, your HDMI, your regular USB, another USB, and the power. So, oh, okay, there it is. And then up in the front, that's where you've got your USB-Cs. And from everything we've read about it, it's going to be an awesome machine. So, yeah, looking forward to getting this thing set up for my son. Yeah, that's everything you get in the box. There you have it.